Oh, you don't know how to make smothered baked chicken?
We can make that.
Had it with a side of rice and broccolini, and oh my goodness, y'all, let me show you how to make it. First, get some clean chicken. Hit it with some salt, some pepper, a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic. Hit it with some complete and some smoked paprika. Then we're going to rub that thing in real good, like this right here. Then we're going to get some onions on that baking sheet. We're going to get some fresh garlic as well. When that chicken done marinating, we're going to throw that thing right on there, right on top of them onions. Ooh, y'all see that right there? Yeah. Then we going to pour off the leftover sauces, the leftover marinations. Hit it in the oven, covered 350 for about an hour and a half. Then you take it off, uncover. You see that right there? Ooh, wait. You could throw some chicken broth or whatever you want on the bottom so nothing burns. But you see. Now look, get some onions, get some butter, some melted butter. Mix that in. You're going to hit it with some flour. And then you're going to also hit it with this roasted garlic from Candace. Candace got that fire roasted garlic. Oh, wait. Then we're going to hit it with that flour. Then, when that thing get thick like you, then we just going to get it even thicker with some cream or chicken. You feel me? Then we're going to hit it with some chicken bouillon and some water. You know what I mean? And then, boom, let that simmer. Mix that in. If it get too chunky, you can always add some more water. Hit it with some fresh parsley. But look, you see that thing? That's how you want it to be right here. Well, that's how I want it to be. Ooh-wee. That's smothered gravy. Yes, Lord. Now, look, I'm putting more of the leftover sauce from the baked chicken in the gravy because that's going to have the gravy jumping, baby. You see that right there? Yeah, put all that in there. And then you just top it off with that smothered gravy, and that's it. It's that simple. Now you know how to make smothered baked chicken. Put it back in the oven. Now we finna make our broccolini. Hit it with a little bit of butter. Get your fresh broccolini. Then we gonna hit it with our seasonings. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, garlic paste, and some Italian herbs paste. And we just gonna mix that in like that right there. You could throw a little rosemary or something in there too. You know what I'm saying? I hit it with some complete. It's completed now. Now, you're just gonna steam them things and make sure they get real nice. Now it's time to plate and assemble everything how you need to do it. Just do what it do. Y'all see that baked chicken? Ooh, wait, broccolini. Yes, Lord. And then that smothered gravy, top it off, and that's it right there. Now you know how to make smothered chicken. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. If you want more recipes like this, go visit the cookbook. I got a bunch of simple recipes, and I'm showing you how to make it step by step. And I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Any questions or concerns y'all got, leave them in the comments below. All right, y'all.